Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Shah Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal sir here. My dear students, today I am going to take day 1 of Social Science online crash course for Karnataka students. Today I am going to discuss the very most important questions for your examination point of view. Before I could start this session, I like to tell you that the question paper pattern, how it will be. The paper pattern will be the 8 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So total you get 8. This all will be multiple, that is called as MCQ. Okay. In my other video, I will be sharing you the expected blueprint for this year. But right now, I'm just showing you the format. And then we have second main. Total we have 8 questions carry 1 mark. Total is 8. This is third main is your answer E. As you can see, they have given here the question have given. You have to answer the following question in a sentence. Remember, you just one word in a sentence each. But the third main, you have 8 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Total 16. This is your question and answer type. In question itself, they have given in 4 points. Minimum 4 points should be there. Minimum 4 points for each question. Next, it is your fourth main. In the fourth main, again it is answer the following questions. You get 9 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. Total 27 marks. Even this is also your question and answer type question. Again in this, they have given in the question in a 6 sentences each. You have to answer in each. And then fifth main, answer the following questions. 4 questions, 4 marks each. Total 16. Question and answer. Here itself they have given in 8 sentences each. 8 sentences each minimum. And then is your sixth main, that is one question. Okay, you will get, that is nothing but 1 plus 4 marks, that is equals to, this question will come from your map. Okay, to draw the map you get 1 mark. Okay, to draw map mark, 4 given, you have them each 1 mark. Each question each 1 mark. Total 5 marks. Again, alternative question for blind students only. Okay, if the student is blind, only for that student there is no map. Instead of map, they will ask you one theory question. He has to answer that for blind student. For rest of the students, you no need to attend blind student question. That is your last question. That is question number 38. So altogether we have 38 questions. So total we have 38 questions in your social science. Got it? Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is the basic foundation. It has to be with you. But my dear students, for weekend online class students, I am taking class, hosting my class. Just a minute. Some students are finding some error. Let me to just check it out. What is the problem? Okay. I was about to say you that I am taking classes only on weekend, that is Saturday and Sunday. Throughout the week, I'll be going to give you the questions. I want you have to solve the questions whichever I give you, but whichever the doubt you can share with me. If it is possible, at the same time, I'll be going to give you the video explanation. If not, on Saturday and Sunday, whenever we meet here in the live, we'll be discussing on the topic. No need to worry. But here, at least the questions whichever I give, I want 100% you people need to concentrate on that. Now, first we are targeting the first part which we are going to target here, that is 4-mark questions. Okay, 4-mark questions. Now, the first question in the 4-mark is, make a note, explain the main programs, explain the main programs of non-cooperation movement. Explain the main programs of non-cooperation movement. My dear students, can you tell me one thing? Which of the chapters are deleted as per your reduced syllabus? Or whichever the topic is got deleted in social science? Can you tell? Let me see. Reduced syllabus. I'm speaking about your social science. Can you brief it fast? Because first you should have this basic idea. Yes? Tell me.
Sir,
Which
can I,
other
sir?
topics have got? Yes, yes.
So the
Absolutely.
the political developments
Anyone,
of 20th
anyone.
century.
First, from history. From history, any topic has got deleted?
So the
Yes,
political
sir.
developments of 20th century.
Political development. That is your last chapter, right? From history.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Political developments
And
of
from
20th century.
yes, sir. And from political science international institution.
Yeah. And then
And from political
Is it clear?
science. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
International institutions.
Yes, that's what I said. International institutions.
Sir, from sociology, social problems.
From sociology,
Problems,
social
sir.
problems. Good. Then
And from geography, Indian mineral and power resources and Indian population.
in geography, Indian
Mineral and power resources.
Indian mineral and power resources.
And Indian
Okay.
population.
Indian population. Very good.
Sir,
And
from
economic
economics, both chapters are deleted, sir.
From economics,
Development,
Money and credit,
money and credit,
public finances
public
and
finance,
budget,
finance. Good. And then
business
Business
studies,
and
sir.
business studies, globalization of business.
globalization of business,
globalization is deleted. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this is your reduced syllabus. I'm right.
yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know today's what is the homework for you first? The first homework for you is very simple, because I believe in one thing. Whichever the material you get, till now you're studying everything. If I'm not wrong, correct? You are getting n number of resources. So many Telegram channels are there. Okay, from Telegram app, you have slides. So many question papers you are downloading. Many of your friends are sharing so many question papers with you. So many XYZ materials are available in Google if you search. In WhatsApp nowadays, as you can see, so many materials the students are sharing from each other. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Now the problem starts here. So whatever the questions I'm getting, the friends or my teachers or my whoever XYZ persons are sharing with me, do I want to study every question? No. The big answer is no. You no need to study all the things. Sir, how could I get to know whether it is important or not, whether I need to study or not? That is a very big question. Here most of the students do they have, as I believe. So now the first thing what you have to do is please go through these chapters, whichever the chapters are deleted, right? As you can see, these are the chapters are deleted. I hope. Correct? No? Yeah. Most of the teachers and maybe your friends or whoever maybe, they used to tell that don't study these chapters. They will tell don't study these chapters. But they are sharing the materials in that even from these chapters also questions are there. But we don't know. We never see to the question from which chapter it belongs to. हम कभी भी जो भी हमारे को क्वेश्चन दिया जाएगा या मिलेगा, हम उसको ये नहीं पहचानेंगे इसके अंदर कि ये कौन से चैप्टर से बिलोंग होकर है. Okay, ಯಾವ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Blindly what we do, we start mugging up the answers, we start beheading the answers. Correct? If you get any questions, as any of your friends tells this is important, you start beheading that answer. Other some materials you will receive, again you will that answer. Please don't do that mistake. Before you study anything, first you filter it, whether I want to study or I don't want to study. How to filter that? For that, if you want to avoid the problem which arises later, for that the big statement which I want to give you now here is, please read these chapters first. Go through these chapters. Sir, when this chapter only it is not there for my syllabus, then what is the use I have to read as you are telling now? Already as per 20% reduced syllabus, these chapters are not there. Then why I want to study these chapters when it is not there? My dear students, I am telling you to read, but I didn't say to you till now what to read. I am telling you what to read is, just open the textbook, read the questions of your last page of the chapter. Just read the questions. I'm not asking you to read the answers or behead the answers. It hardly takes some 10-15 minutes if you want to study these all questions. Open political development of 20th century chapter, read the question. Just try to understand the meaning, what is that question belongs to. From that question only you will get the idea that what is the content is present in that chapter. What are the contents are present in that chapter, you will understand. When you are studying some other materials, you will definitely, it's a common psychology of every student. They will easily understand, no, this question is deleted. This question I don't want to study. This is as per the reduced syllabus. This topic has got deleted. So you can eliminate that. Whichever the materials you are getting, I'm not telling that you should not study. Yes, of course you can, you must, you have to study. But first synchronize in a proper way whether I want to study or not. That's what I just wanted to tell you. Open these all chapters, just read the questions. Okay. In case if you are not following any tuitions or something, then this is the must homework you have to do. But in case if you are already following some teachers or some teachers are with you or you are taking extra coaching, if not your teachers, your school teachers only are helping you. First only they are telling you to not to read these questions, only read these questions. If they are sending some materials also, before that they are suggesting you not to read this, read this. In case if your teachers are doing this homework and if they are sending you the materials, then well and good, no problem. If you are already going to any of the coaching classes, your respective teacher is doing this all homework, and then if they are sharing with you all the materials, well and good, you no need to do. In case if you are doing your self study or something, at that time this is the homework, you must have to do it. Okay, and the students who have joined for this crash course program now, you no need to do these all things, but still once you can go through it to be in safer side. But anyhow, maximum I will first, whichever the questions I will give it to you, first I will delete those things and then only I will be sharing with you. Okay, so this is the first homework which you are supposed to do it. Understood what did I say? Have you understood what did I say? Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that you will be reducing much time. You will be not wasting your time. For that reason, I have given you this instruction. Okay. Now, the first question is explain the main programs of non-cooperation movement. First, I'll give you a set of questions. Then, if you want, whichever the question you want, you can tell me. We'll be discussing those questions. Okay. If you already know that question, I don't think so I need to do any further explanation. You can just start practicing. The question which you don't know or the answer which you want from my end, any explanation you can ask me. I'm there to help you out. So this is the only thing which is required in social science. But rest all the things you people can do by yourself. But only the thing is what all we want to study, you want that material, that's it. Got it? Understood, students? What did I say to you now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here the major problem in social science is the number of chapters are more, the number of questions are more, but how much we have to prepare, that we don't know. That is only the problem which occurs in social science. But rest all the things, it is well and good. It goes very smoothly. Okay. Now, the second question, explain political and administrative reasons for 1857 revolt. Explain political and administrative reasons for 1857 revolt. Third question, explain the age of liberal nationalism during freedom movement. Next question, in recent days situations are supporting women to achieve betterment. How? Next question, what are the requirements essential to cultivate wheat and sugarcane? Okay. Now first I want one answer from your end. Explain the main programs of non-cooperation movement. From which chapter this question belongs to? Quick.
Era of Gandhi.
Era of Gandhi.
Era of Gandhi.
Very good.
Era of Gandhi.
Okay. Next question. Explain political and administrative reasons for 1857
The
revolt.
first war of Indian
The
independence.
first war of
First
Very
war of
good.
Indian independence.
Next. Third question. Explain the age of liberal nationalism during freedom movement.
Freedom movement only, no,
Freedom
sir.
movement.
Yes, already it is given, right? Freedom movement. It is freedom movement only. Correct? Next
Yes,
question.
sir.
Says situations are supporting women to achieve betterment. How? From which chapter this question belongs to? Quick. Make it fast. From which chapter? See children, for certain things I want the reply from your end only. Because you are the one who are going to face the exam, not me. I'll give you the hint. Okay? Something will come like child marriage, education is compulsory, women self-help groups,
Social and religious reforms.
Sir, labor.
reservation bodies. Yes? Women self-help groups, education is
Social
compulsory,
and
Shri Shakti. From which chapter?
Sir,
Self-help
labor.
groups. I have given a very big hint. Sorry? Speak out, man. Let it be. The answer is wrong. But you are here to correct your mistakes. If you hide the
social and
answers,
religious
then how will you learn? No. Answer is wrong. It's not social and religious reforms.
Labor.
No. Something we are discussing about development here. Open your textbook.
Sir, social
Quick.
movement, sir.
So rural development.
No. Open your textbook, I said. Sociology open.
Social stratification.
In that, can you see anywhere women self-help groups? Open it fast. Can you see? Can you see?
Sir, social
Women self-help-
problem.
Social?
Problem, sir.
I'll give you one more hint. It is the first chapter. I'll give you one more hint. Political science, economics, sociology. Out of these three,
Social
the first
movements.
Is it true? Quick, give me the result fast.
Sir, is it social movements?
Yes, sir, it's from social movement.
Open your
Page
textbook.
number 66.
Open your textbook. I'll give you one more hint. Check problems of India and their solutions. Open that chapter. If not, open the chapter development. Some of you open the chapter problems of India and their solutions. Some of you open the chapter development.
Problems of India, sir.
Yes?
Problems of India.
Can you tell me in which page number? That's women self-help groups is there. Problems of India, we are discussing about unemployment, corruption, right? Problem, discrimination. Correct? I think in the discrimination column, you people can see government has taken many steps as like reservation in education and unemployment. 50% of the seats has given for the women in local body elections. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
I think it comes in the chapter, I hope. discrimination column is there, as you can see in the discrimination column. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
If not, you can take, if not, you can take status of women. You can take status of women. In that, as you can see, the complete
Yes, sir.
will describe you how government is supporting for the women to achieve betterment. In which of the ways government is supporting for the women to achieve a better role. Correct? So this question belongs to which chapter? The India and their solutions. Any doubts? Understood, children? What did I say to you now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is the first thing you need to understand before you start any preparation. That's what I said to you in the beginning. See how much you people are lacking with social science. Got it? Okay. Next question. What are the requirements essential to cultivate wheat and sugarcane? Which chapter?
Indian soils.
Indian?
Soils.
Soil.
Okay, good. So these are the 5 questions from 4 marks which I am going to give you today from your 4 mark questions. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell me any answer which you want the explanation? Out of these 5 questions, do you want any question explained? Quick, please make it fast. We need to make still more questions. We have to
Sir,
see
third
the other
question.
parts also. Yes. Okay, done. Explain the age of liberal nationalism during freedom movement. Okay, during the freedom movement, there was liberal nationalism was there. That is called as age of liberal nationalism. Means liberal nationalism was started during freedom movement. So what was the role? What exactly it happened? Let me see. See here. Now, liberal nationalism during freedom movement. Point number 1. There was a faith in rule in British and judiciary. People had a faith during the time. What happened? People had a faith in the rule of British and judiciary. ब्रिटिश और उनके जजमेंट में पीपल्स को एक भरोसा था. दे हैड ए होप. ओके, दे विल डू इन द बेनिफिट ऑफ अस ओनली. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? दे हैड ए फेथ. नाउ prayers and requests within legal framework. Okay, the next point here is prayers and requests within legal framework. Means everything was going very smoothly. The prayers and the requests within legal. जो भी now we have, as you know that our country is very diverse in nature. We have so many religions, correct? So everything was going good, in a good way. And the request within legal framework, it was happening every good way. Political awareness among the people. No, what happened? The things started spreading. The things were started spreading. That is political awareness among the people. And give you the key point. Okay? Political awareness among the people. So we have to choose the right leader. ऐसा awareness already start हो गया था. We have to select a good ruler. So this is what political awareness started among the people. Public meetings, discussions on various started. Meeting started. If any problem occurs, how to solve it, how to solve any problem, public meetings was arranged. So public meeting issues directly, they were not taking any set decisions directly. First, public meetings were arranged to decide on various issues. It was going on at that time. Next, submission of memorandums. Submission of memorandum. If they need something, any problem is there, they can submit the report. Submission of memorandum was present. Next, development of industry. The next point is development of industries. Industries developed where? There were a number of factories and industries started during this period, during the age of liberal nationalism. Development of industries. Next, very important point, cutting down of military expenditure. Down of military expenditure. जो भी मिलिट्री एक्सपेंडिचर था उसको रिड्यूस करते गए. They have reduced unnecessary expenses. Cutting down of military expenditure, providing better education. During this age of liberalization, they started giving better education. Provide education, implementation of poverty alleviation. Means how can we reduce the poverty, how can we solve the problems of poverty. So they started to eradicate poverty. Next, study the ill effects of the British rule in India. So what are the problems we are getting because of the British rule in India? They started because of the British we are facing. First they had a faith. They started studying, even they had a faith, but still they were started studying the ill effects of the British rule. Next, explain drain of resources into England. Excess drain of resources into England through scientific statistics. They started they explained the drain of resources into England through scientific statistics. And who theory? Dadabhai Naoroji, correct? Dadabhai Naoroji explained drain theory. Means resources into England is going to happen. So Dadabhai Naoroji explained this drain theory. Drain theory. Okay. Next, we had a very great leader at that time. That is W.C. Banerjee, M.G. Ranade, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopala Krishna Gokhale were important leaders. Okay, They were the important leaders. So this is what we call it as the age of liberal nationalism. Understood? Actually, people wanted these all things. They understand what problems we are facing, how our goods are rejected, and what are the problems our peoples are facing. Understood? Now they want to eradicate these all things. Now the people started understanding how to fight against the British. Understood? So this period is known as the age of liberal nationalism. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Concepts are clear? So these are the key points.
Yes.
But here, for 4 marks, you have to write minimum 8 points, as I have said you earlier. Correct? So here also I have given some more number of points. You can just try to prepare for around 8 points in this. Please mute your mic. Because each point carries half mark. Remember this. Each point carries half mark. So total 8 points, 4 marks. But to be in safer side, for 4 marks, try to write some 10 to 12 points. Okay? To be safer side. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Good. And apart from these questions, I want to give you still more number of questions, including map. For map, my dear students, listen here. For map, I'll be giving you the link, which I have done. So now what you should do, go through that map, copy the notes, whatever I explained for there, please mark down the points and related information as it is. Along with my explanation, I want you have to points in the map. Total 6 maps are there. Okay, you can follow all the 6 maps. If you study those 6 maps, that is more than sufficient, because already we have covered all the namings, whichever they can ask you from your geography. Got it?
Sir.
Good. Now let me study some 3-mark questions. Make a note. And also I'll be sharing with you some questions in the group. Okay, I'll be sharing few questions in the group also. I want to complete the questions whichever I give you in the same day. I don't want you need to postpone for the other day. Yes, take down the question. In recent days, 3 marks. These are 3-mark questions. First question. First you take down this question. British revenue system affected Indian British revenue system affected Indian agriculture. Full stop. Substantiate. SUBSTANTIATE. British revenue system affected Indian agriculture. Substantiate. Next question. Third and fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Third and fourth Anglo-Mysore Wars reduced the strength of Tipu Sultan. Reduced the strength of Tipu Sultan reduce the strength of Tipu Sultan of Mysore justify of Mysore justify. Next question. Next question. The contribution of Annie Besant, the contribution of Annie Besant, ANNIE, Annie Besant, BESANT. The contribution of Annie Besant to Indian culture and politics is unforgettable. Full stop. Justify. Next question. India and Russia are USSIA. India and Russia have cordial 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 relationship. Explain. India and Russia have cordial relationship. Explain. Next. In recent days, the problem of untouchability is declining. The problem of untouchability is declining. Full stop. Justify. Next question. The areas under forest are declining in recent years. Full stop. Why? Question mark. Next question. Majority of iron and steel industries are located in Odisha, 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 and West Bengal regions. Full stop. Why? Question mark. Next question. Human activities caused CAUSED. Human activities caused floods, floods and landslides. Full stop. Justify. Next. Mention the key features. The key KEY. The key features FEATURES. Mention the key features of Panchayati Raj system. Panchayati, PANCHAYATI. Panchayati Raj, RAJ, Raj system. Next question. Mention the different stages. Don't want this question. Pardon me. Don't want this question. Take down the next question. How does an entrepreneur ENTREPRENEUR, how does an entrepreneur help in economic development of a country? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students have any- Good. Okay. So these are important questions which you want to understand, and I want you have to study for these questions. In case if you are not finding any answer, please let me know in the group itself. I'll be sharing with you the solutions for the problem which you are not getting. If specifically if you want any answer also, let me know. I will just share with you the voice message of that answer explanation. But still if you are not getting, in our regular weekend class, we'll be solving your doubts in live session. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Good. So this is what about today's class. Social science. Similarly, I'll be sharing question and answers also, and other important study materials, model papers, everything will be shared with you all in our WhatsApp group of our regular classes. Thank you for watching, my dear students. This class I'm going to upload in our YouTube channel, but rest of the classes will not be uploaded over there. Okay, few of the classes will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. The one who have missed this class, because this is the first class, as I can see here, most of the students have not attended this session. Okay, I hope due to maybe any network issue or something, but next week onwards we'll be getting all the students. So now I'll be uploading this video in our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes. Even if you people have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon. And after watching this video, share this video with your all friends and also with your classmates. Comment below how was this class and what video you want to make me next. We'll be meeting with you all the next Saturday in the live session. Thank you. Take care. Wish you all the best of luck.
Thank
If you
you
have
very
any
much.
doubts, you can ask me.